Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about the top 10 temples of India. The vivid color of the different religions residing in India give the country an admirable identity. Number 1, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, which is located in Varanasi of UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, and this temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. These are the outside view of Kashi Vishwanath Temple. And number 2, this is the Jagannath Temple, which is located in Puri of Orissa, and this temple popular for its annual Rath Yatra. Pilgrims believe that Mahaprasad served here is scrutinized by Goddess Lakshmi, and those who have it attain spiritual advancement. And number 3, this is the Venkateshwar Tirupati Balaji, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. It is the most visited temple in India. The numbers of pilgrims visiting the temple in a day mount up to 5 lakhs. And here is Vaishnav Devi temple, which is located in Jammu. This temple dedicated to Shakti, and this is the second most visited temple of the country. And number 5, here is Somnath temple, which is located in Gujarat, and this temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is the inside view of Somnath temple. And here is Kamakhya temple. Kamakhya temple is located in Assam, and this is the inside view of Kamakhya temple. This temple dedicated to Goddess Kamakhya. And number 7, here is Mahabodhi temple complex. Mahabodhi temple complex is located in Bihar, which is also recognized as a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. Number 8, here is Siddhi Vinayak temple, which is located in Maharashtra, and this temple dedicated to Lord Ganesh. Here is the inside view of Siddhi Vinayak temple. And this is the Rameshwaram temple, which is located in Tamil Nadu and dedicated to Lord Shiva. There are 2 lingas inside the sanctum. One built by Goddess Sita and another was bought by Lord Hanuman. These are the views of Rameshwaram temple. Here is 5-face Hanuman. And number 10, this is the Sai Baba temple, which is also known as Siddhi Sai Baba temple, and this is located in Maharashtra. That's all. Thanks for watching.